In the medieval world, trade did not only carry silk and spices, it carried ideas and sometimes discoveries that could change history.
Ni hao, traveler from the east. I bring porcelain and silk. And I have something greater. Kung Yao, fire medicine. Watch. Here.
Whoa! A thunder from the earth? Amazing!
Saltpeter, charcoal, and sulfur. All together. Fire medicine.
Whoa! Bravo! Bravo! Bravo!
Thus, gunpowder began its journey from east to west. Science on the move with the power to shape technology and society. When news of gunpowder reached Europe, curious minds asked, what else could this strange powder do?
If powder makes fire, perhaps it can hurl iron. Not fireworks but weapons. Imagine a ball of lead flying faster than an arrow. A metal tube sealed at one end. The power blasts. The ball flies. But Lifang, should we? Science feeds, heals, and builds, but it can also destroy. Every invention changes the world. Plow, the clock, now perhaps the gun.
And so, curiosity became invention, technology burned from powder, metal, and ambition. At last, the weapon was ready to be shown, not to scholars, but to soldiers.
You call this a device can change war? Show us! With this fire, the kingdom will rise or fall. The night will be ended.
My lord, remember, this weapon can save society, but it can also shatter cities. Science is a tool, but with the wrong hands, it is a curse.
Thus, began a new chapter in human history. Science had given birth to gunpowder. Technology had forged it into guns. And now, society would never be the same again. world. Trade did not only carry Manway.
Ayaw, pas ko. Hinoy kayo. Dapat hinoy lang. Tanggo ni kag Chinese Lord. Okay na, tama na. Tanggo ni kag Chinese Lord. Ni hao, traveler from the east. I bring tawa pa.
Action.
And I have something greater. Huyaw.
Isa na lang. Inya na lang.
Fairy, because she was a fairy. She was a fairy.
Pakita pa ni mo, tiin.
Uy, oh, anak kita. Hold that baby.
Baba na.
Ayaw.
Ay, sa kabisit ko.
Ayaw tabangi.
Agay, i-bloopers yun dito.
Ayaw tabangi. Dagan na kay kilurin. Ayaw tabangi. Lanor.
Philippine Army.
Kani, guys, no manggod.
Oh. The same again.